What's up everyone? Today we are unboxing one of the most anticipated sneakers of 2025, the return of a legend, the AJ1 High Shattered Backboard. If you know, you know, this pair has history, heat and some of the best leather in the Jordan lineup. Let's get into it. Alrighty. First we got a nice thank you message. Alright, so we got the Jordan 1 retro box, but this time with a shattered glass effect, which is really dope. Okay, so we got a nice different box, different kind of Air Jordan 1 box. This is the shattered glass effect, pretty cool. And there it is. That orange, black and white combo, instantly recognizable. The shattered backboard colorway. You got that bright starfish orange on the toe box and heel and the collar, matched with the deep black overlays and this clean white side panels. Just like the 2015 pair, but this time the orange is slightly different. Let's talk about this leather. Soft, tumbled, super plush, super buttery. You can see the grain, the creasing, that's the good kind. The quality control is looking good. No glue stains, sharp stitching, good panel alignment. Classic Nike Air tag, no Jumpman over here. Inside on the soles we also got the shattered backboard effect with a hoop. It's pretty cool. They do come with extra pair of laces. Orange does seem quite different. In case you are new to the story, the colorway isn't just fire, it's based on a real moment. Back in 1985, MJ was playing in an exhibition game in Italy. Rocking a black and orange uniform, he threw down a dunk so hard he shattered the backboard. The glass exploded. That's why we got this effect. Nike took that moment and made it sneaker history with this colorway, the shattered backboard. The contrast between the orange and the black really pops, and the materials give it that premium feel. You could wear this casually or just let them sit on display. This is one of the best Jordan 1 drops in a while. The colorway is iconic, the leather is top tier, and the story is legendary. Also, the box. They did a good job on the box. If you compare it to the previous ones, they didn't do as much effort like this one, but then again this one has a story to it. So in 2025, are you copying or are you dropping? Or are you waiting for something else that's coming out this year? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.